Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to complete an activity called Eyes at Home. The first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to make a card like mine. Now, I put my card in this envelope. If you don't have any envelopes to use, you can just use a piece of paper or an index card. You don't need to put it in an envelope. And what you're going to do today is you're going to create a card that represents how many eyes you have at home in your family. So the first thing that I thought about was how many people are in my family. There's Mr. Martisevich, there's myself, and there's Annabelle. And then I drew our eyes. I drew 2 eyes for Mr. Martisevich, 2 eyes for myself, and then 2 eyes for Annabelle. So the first thing you need to do is you need to create a card like mine that matches how many people are in your home and that represents how many eyes each person has. You're going to start with your card first today when you're recording on your recording sheet. So if we know that there are 3 people in my home, how many eyes are there? How could I figure this out? I could count. I could touch each eye and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there another way that I could count? I could start counting by 2s. I could touch each person's set of eyes and I could say 2. And then I know 2 more would give me 4. And then 2 more would give me 6. Did I get the same total when I counted by 1s and when I counted by 2s? I did. So today, after you make your card that represents the people in your family, you're going to record on this first row on your paper today. The first column says name on the envelope. I'm going to write my name there because I'm recording my card. Mrs. Martisevich. The second column says number of people. Do you remember how many people were in my family? 3. And the last column says number of eyes. What did I get when I was counting by 1s and counting by 2s today? Let's double check. Let's count by 2s again. 2, 4, 6. So today you're going to record your name, the number of people in your family, and the number of eyes in your family. Then you have a choice. You can create more cards to represent some of the other families that you know. So maybe you'll pick some of your friends and you'll draw the eyes in their family. Or maybe you'll pick some of your relatives. So you can create more cards, or you can use the ones that I have sent you. So you'll notice I'm going to send you some cards that look like this. They have students' names on them, and then the eyes are there showing how many people and how many eyes are in their family. So let's look at one of these together. We'll record one more together today. Let's look at Cora's card. How many people are in Cora's family? Yeah, we know each person has 2 eyes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we wanted to figure out how many eyes are in her family, how could we count? Do you want to try counting by 2s again? Let's give it a try. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. So if I was going to record Cora's card, I would start with her name. I would ask myself, how many people were in her family? 4. And then how many eyes were in her family? What did we get when we counted by 2s? 8. So today you'll continue to fill in your paper until you get to that last column. I hope that you enjoy playing Eyes at Home.